Are you someone who is looking for clients online and who wants to grow their business or personal brand? Then this video is just for you. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to start a new series called Digital Talks, and in this series we are going to talk about many things related to digital media, content writing for digital media and social media platforms. So let's begin with it. Today's topic is why digital presence is important to grow your business or personal brand. So you might have noticed many people constantly put out some content related to their niche on their social media platforms, be it some kind of Insta post or infographics or YouTube videos or something like that. And you must be wondering that why are they constantly active on these platforms in terms of Insta stories, Insta posts, LinkedIn blogs and everything. So there is a reason behind that, behind why they are constantly active on social media, because social media presence or digital media presence is the need of the hour today. And in this video we are going to talk about why it is so important to constantly be active, consistently be active on social media platforms. So there are major three reasons why you should constantly be active on social media. And when I'm saying constantly be active, not necessarily means put out anything and everything out there. Put out valuable content, content related to your niche, content related to your business, content related to your personal brand. That why are you on the social media platforms? So related to that, you have to put out content. So first major reason is to create a personal brand. So as I said earlier, if you are someone who want to create a personal brand or who want to grow their businesses or who want to find their clients on these platforms, then active presence on social media is really important. Because what happens when you create a personal brand, when you talk about things related to your niche, related to your field with an authority, you build a trust and you create that kind of trust and loyalty that when tomorrow if you sell some product or service on your social media platforms, which you should do in future, then they will more than happy to come and buy that from you. Why? Because you created that kind of trust, you created that kind of loyalty. So in today's scenario, looking at situations out there, the pandemic situation, you have to have a personal brand so that tomorrow if you sell something or if you create some digital products and you want to sell them out, then there are a defined people, there is a defined audience out there who will be more than happy to buy it from you. Because in upcoming years, or you can say in 5 years, every business is going to shift on digital platforms. Even if they have a physical kind of space, still for their marketing strategies and to reach out to more and more people, they will need the digital space. So definitely if you decide that today to create your personal brand, it will be like game changer for you in future. So to have a personal brand, to create that kind of trust and loyalty, you need to be constantly, effectively and consistently active on these social media platforms with a variety of valuable content related to niche. So if you are a mom blogger, you can talk about parental tips or things related to being parent, or if you are a dietitian, or if you have those kind of specialities in food and nutrition, you can talk about nutritious tips to increase your immunity or something like that. So it is really important to be actively be out there on your social media platforms when it comes to creating or building a personal brand. Another reason why you should have an active presence on digital media is to create a community. So second reason is to create a community of like-minded people. So I am a content specialist related to social media. I follow so many people related to this field. I watch their content, I read their content, I go and engage with them, I talk to them, I learn so many new things, they learn so many new things from me, and with this way we create a community of like-minded people. Why it is important? Because tomorrow when you want to grow your business, you want to know that what other people are doing. You want to learn some things from them, and might possible they will learn some things from you. With this, you will grow, they will grow, and it will be a win-win situation, right? So to create that kind of community, you have to have a active digital presence for your own growth and to help other people out there too. It is really important. Third and another important point, that to find clients. Now many people will say, are you there only for business, or you're money minded, or you are building this social media presence only for money? Then no, it is not like that. You are building this presence so that you can establish your name and you can help people out there who want to have services like these but don't know where to do, right? With this way, they will have defined services and you will have clients. Again, a win-win situation, right? So it is helpful for both of them. With various kinds of Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, Instagram pages, you can find your potential clients. You can talk to them, interact with them, you can drive their traffic on your website, you can book a discovery call, and so on. In this way, you can get your clients through your social media presence, because until and unless you will be not active on social media, you won't put out content related to your social media, they won't know about you and your services. Even if you're so good at your services, even if your services are amazing, but if they don't know about it, then how will you grow and how will they have services? Maybe they will have someone else, but to provide your services to other people, you have to have that kind of social media presence so that people will come to know that you are in this field, you have that authority to talk about it, and you deliver good services. And when you get clients through these social media platforms, obviously if you provide them top-notch services, they will definitely give you testimonials, they will share your share review about your services, and then other people will come to know about you. In this way, you're going to help them for their work, and you will be getting clients to grow your business, right? So because of these three reasons, you should have your social media presence, and if you don't have it right now, then go research about it and just do it right now. Do not think about what people will think. Do not think about people will assume that you're doing only for your business. Even if you do, there is nothing wrong in it. There is no harm. So all the best. Apply strategies. Go and start your digital presence and grow your business. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and comment on it. Please subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to follow me on Instagram, because I put out amazing content out there also. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye.